Hiya, I'm Bernie Raffi, a professional photographer, instructor and all-round nice guy based in the UK. And welcome to my course all about posing. If you like to take photos of people, you will have discovered by now that it's not always easy to get fantastic photos with your subjects looking nice and relaxed and comfortable. But here's the thing, it's not that hard. You just have to learn some basic steps and then practice them. And so lovely, relaxed posing is what you'll learn on this course. Many posing tutorials feature mostly gorgeous, experienced models to show you the poses. But this course isn't anything like that. Only one video has a gorgeous professional model. All of the others feature real people who are maybe not quite so gorgeous. And they all feature in live photo sessions. Yeah, that's right. I go out and photograph normal, everyday people like you, me, and our families. There's individuals, there's couples, families with children, siblings, both young and old, what you might call fuller figure couples as well, plus a photo session with an extended family of about 10 people, including children and a lovely old grandad in a wheelchair. There's tips and tricks for head and shoulders posing, plus a fantastic idea for getting a stronger headshot. And not everything goes to plan. I make mistakes. Yeah, instructors make them all the time, and so will you. But those mistakes are kept in. They're not edited out. This is real life after all, and these things happen. Posing is hard to remember. Well, it was for me anyway. So each video has an accompanying PDF crib sheet of the poses for that particular lecture that you can download and keep with you. So if you like to take pictures of people, be they models, family or just friends, this course is the one for you. You'll learn loads. So why not sign up now and learn the secrets of great posing? Bye for now.